Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. German Pronunciation Guide. Speak clearly from day one. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried speaking German and felt like no matter what you said, it just didn't sound right? Maybe people understood you. Maybe they didn't. But something felt off. Here's why. It's not your vocabulary. It's not your grammar. It's your pronunciation. And the truth is, German is one of the clearest languages in the world, if you pronounce it correctly. But if you don't, even simple sentences can sound confusing. So, in this video, we're going to fix that slowly, step by step, so you can start speaking German clearly from day one. Let's begin. Before anything else, you need to reset how you hear language. Because if you hear German through English, you will speak it incorrectly. German sounds are sharper, cleaner, more precise. So instead of guessing, you listen closely, you imitate, you slow everything down. That's how clarity starts. German spelling is surprisingly consistent, much more than English. Most letters sound the same every time, which means once you learn the sounds, you can read almost anything, even if you don't know the meaning. So today, we focus on sound, not speed, not fluency, just accuracy. Let's start with consonants, because German has a few sounds that don't exist in English. First, the ch sound. There are actually two versions. Soft ch, like in each. This sound comes from the front of your mouth, almost like whispering. Now, try. Ish. Again. Ish. Now the hard ch, like in Bach. This one comes from the back of your throat. Stronger. Deeper. Try it. Bach. Good. These two sounds are essential. Master them early. Now, let's talk about the German R. This is where many learners struggle. In German, the R is often produced in the throat, not rolled like Spanish, not smooth like English. It's subtle, sometimes almost silent at the end. For example, rot. You don't exaggerate it, you soften it. Try. Rot. Again. Rot. Let it stay relaxed. Now we move to something unique. Umlauts. These dots change everything. Let's go one by one. E sounds like A, as in Mädchen. Now try E next. Ö. This one is tricky. Say A, but round your lips. Try slowly. And finally, U. Say E, but keep your lips rounded. U. Again. U. These sounds don't exist in English, so take your time. Train your mouth. In German, vowel length matters a lot, A short vowel and a long vowel can change meaning completely. For example, bitte, short I, biete, long I. Listen, bitte, biete. Hear the difference? Now try. Bitte, bitte, don't rush. Length changes meaning. German words often end clearly, no fading, no soft trailing. For example, tag, you don't say tagu, you stop clean. Tag, house, kind. Each word ends with control. Try tag, house, kind, clear, sharp, finished. German usually stresses the first syllable. Not always, but often. For example, Wasser, not Wasser. Wasser. Try Wasser. Another, arbeiten, arbeiten, not arbeiten. This rhythm helps you sound natural. German is structured, but it still flows. Words connect smoothly, not rushed, not chopped. For example, ich spreche Deutsch. Say it slowly. Ich spreche Deutsch. Now connect. Ich spreche Deutsch. Smooth, controlled, balanced. Here's how you improve fast. Listen, pause, repeat, record yourself, compare, adjust. Do this daily, even 5 minutes, but focused, not passive. This is how pronunciation improves. So, here's the truth. German pronunciation is not difficult, it's different. And once you understand the system, everything becomes clearer. So slow down, listen carefully, practice deliberately, and speak clearly from day one. I'll see you in the next lesson. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.